Hello friends, in this video we will try to discuss one of the frequent SQL interview question. So the ask from the interviewer is, get me the data from a table whoever is hired for past 3 months, as well as get me the data employees in a table whoever is hired for the last 30 days. Okay, so we will try to see by looking at practical by taking up some sample data. Let's say I have some sample data employee table. Employee table holds 6 columns: ID, first name, last name, gender, salary, and hire date. So we are inserting some sample data. Let's try to hit the execution. So the data is available now. Let's try to look up the data. Now, employee. So this is the sample data. We have it. Now we are ready to fire the query. Now the ask is, get the employees hired last 3 months in a given table. Okay, now by using date diff function, built-in function, we will try to achieve the scenario. Select star comma, taking all the columns using date diff function, though they are asking to return the months, right? Hence I am taking month comma hire date comma today's date, get date, yes, let's say difference from employee table. Okay, now let's try to fire this query. So here diff function, as alias we are taking, right, this is going to show us the difference of existing, means from the current date to hire date. If we try to look at C, we can able to see 2 records. Okay, now let's try to filter those 2 records where date diff comma month comma hire date comma get date between 1 and 3. Okay, now let's try to fire the whole query. So here we are filtering the records only which we are interested. See, we got only these are the 2 of them. Means now we are in 2024 Jan, right? So we can able to see the person joined December month and November month. We have only 2 records, so we can able to achieve our expected. So now if you don't want this diff, just for reference we have taken. Now let's try to run this query. So we can able to get the expected data. Now let's try to see another example. Now the second scenario is, get me the employees hired by last 30 days. Get the employees hired last 30 days. Okay, now for this select star comma, we are going to apply the same function, built-in function here, though it is days, right? Now let's try to take up day comma, now hire date comma get date, yes, difference from employee. Okay, now let's try to fire this query. Now if we try to see 1 2 3, so we have 3 of them in the last 30 days. Now let's try to filter those records where using same date diff function day comma hide date comma get date between 1 and 30. Okay, now let's try to find this. We need to get 3 records as per the lookup. Okay, now we got 3 of them. See, these are the members who is hired for the last 30 days in this current year. In Jan 6th, 7th and 9th they are joined. Okay, this is how we can able to achieve the employees who is hired for the last 30 days. Okay, in the same way, if we don't want, this is only for our understanding purpose, we are taking up the additional column for our understanding. Just remove it and then run the query. So this is the expected outcome. Okay, so that's all for today's, guys. I hope you got a sense how to get it. If you really like it, please do subscribe, like it and share it, and please do the comment. Bye.